everyone today. So I'm going to show you how to basically pan fry mandu. If you don't know what mandu is, it's basically a Korean dumpling. And I was so lucky and blessed to be able to actually try bibigo dumplings through winning a giveaway that me and my friend ended up winning. So today I'm going to actually be trying bulgogi chicken dumplings, beef and vegetable, as well as pork and vegetable. So what you're going to do is you're going to have your frying pan on top of the stove. Mine doesn't look too clean because I actually was just using it to make lo mein. So I made some sweet teriyaki lo mein. So I'm curious to see how it's going to be having some of that sauce with the oil. Today I'm going to be just using regular vegetable oil. So I'm going to put this down. So what you do is you open your bag. And what's nice is the bag actually has a Ziploc inside so you can reseal it, which is pretty convenient. I already took 4 of them out. They're wrapped pretty nicely. So what you're going to do is make sure your oil isn't too hot. You're going to put them in your pan. And they're frozen. So if you make mandu or dumplings from scratch, you're basically going to need it's like a clear type of dumpling wrapper, and on the inside you can fill it with all sorts of different ingredients. In this case, I'm going to be using the type that was already provided. It's going to be bulgogi and chicken, beef and vegetable, as well as pork and vegetable, I believe. Yes. So what you're going to do is you're going to have a spoon that's wooden, or you're going to use chopsticks, whatever you're comfortable with. Personally, I usually use a wooden spoon, so you're going to have that on hand, which I actually don't have, so give me 1 sec. Alright, I'm back. So basically, you're going to make sure you have 3 tablespoons of oil in your pan. In this case, I'm using vegetable oil. And what you're going to do is, you don't want to disturb your dumpling too much because you don't want the wrapper, because it's really delicate, to actually rip. And you're going to flip them so that each of the sides end up getting cooked well, even though it's already pre-cooked. See, I already ripped it because it's very delicate. On the containers itself, it's just the same thing. Use 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil in a non-stick pan. Place 4 or so pieces into your pan. Leave space in between on medium, high. It's going to be 8 minutes. Turn it over every 2 to 3 minutes until all sides are golden brown. Pretty simple. So here you go. I'll give you a little over the top. And it's probably also going to look or taste a slight bit different because, like I said, I made a sweet teriyaki sauce. So it might have a hint of that on it. Guess I'll find out. Well, me and my family will find out. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to cook one of each of the types. So then we'll each have a shot at trying each of them, even though I've tried their products in the past and I've been always pleased. And it tastes just like they're homemade. And like I said, you just gotta be careful. And the only thing I didn't like is because of my sauce. I had it on too long while I was preparing things. It actually burnt. So after I cook these 4, I actually might take it off and clean the pan and then do the other ones with just regular. So only the beef and vegetable might have a hint of my sweet teriyaki sauce that I made. So we'll find out, and I'll write it on my Instagram account, so stay tuned. And so that's basically it. I hope you like this, and if you did, you learned something new on how to make dumplings, not from scratch, but just how to cook them. If you did like videos like this, don't forget to hit subscribe, as well as to hit the bell for more notifications. Comment down below, as well as give me a like. And until next time, I'll show you some other food videos, or so I have time to get go. So we'll see. Take care, and until next time, bye for now.